Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Build and Automate. I am Vijay Aswani, and what you are seeing behind me, it's not a debug lots. That's OpenAI and Claude roasting each other inside my terminal. I built a Python script that traps both model in an infinite loop, forces them into a one-liner roast battle. OpenAI started insulting, Claude fires back, and every round gets more brutal than the last. And you know the crazy part? None of this is pre-written. Every line you see behind me is being generated right now in real time with actual API calls. Today I'll show you exactly how this works, the code, the logic, and how I wired both AIs together so they literally can't stop roasting each other. Let's jump in and make AI do things it was never supposed to do. Alright, let's jump into the code and I will show you how this roast battle actually works under the hood. By the way, I have pushed the code to GitHub. The link is in the description if you want to clone it and play with it yourself. Before we write or run anything, you need a couple of things set up. First, you will need Python 3 or above installed on your machine. Second, you will need an OpenAI API key and Claude API key from Anthropic. If you don't have those yet, go to OpenAI platform, create an account, generate the API key. Same for Anthropic. Generate the API key for Claude. Once you have both, create a .env file in the same folder as the script and add the environment variable like this. So I'm using python.env to load this automatically so I don't hardcode any secrets in the code or on the recording. Also make sure you install the dependencies. Let's jump to the actual script and import the libraries. These are basic imports we are using. Async.io so the script stays fast, .env to load API keys securely, and then the official OpenAI and Anthropic SDK. Nothing here is complex, it's just the foundation. Now let's load the environment variable and Claude and OpenAI API keys. If either key is missing, we fail early, so no hidden surprise later. Then let's create two clients, one for OpenAI and another one is for Claude. Now let's define the Claude model. Change this to any model your Anthropic account has access to. Now let's create the function. This function generates one roast line from OpenAI. I lock the tone using the system message, keep the message short with match tokens and stripe the result. Same function is required for Claude. Claude works similarly, but Anthropic returns content in blocks. So I loop through and extract all the text parts. I also wrap everything into try catch so one bad response doesn't kill the loop. Now let's do the actual roast function. This is where the actual roast battle happens. OpenAI goes first, Claude reacts to OpenAI's output, and I print both lines so it looks great in terminal. Now the infinite loop function. This is the infinite loop. It keeps running rounds forever until I hit Ctrl C. There is no delay, so the speed depends only on how fast the API responds. Now the entry point. This is the entry point for CLI. I allow changing the roast of it from the command line. Now we will run the code. To run this, we just need to execute Python 3 file name --- topic and topic name, and instantly you will see the roast battle go live. Round 1, round 2, round 3, fully live and fully AI generated. Again, GitHub repo link is in the description. You can clone. Just grab your API keys and you are ready to go. That's all for today. If you found this useful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Build something amazing. See you soon.